Okay, I'm at the church car wash and we're having a blast.
Car wash, turkey legs.
Turkey legs.
Turkey legs.
Two things that go together. Car wash.
Bicycle, you got a tricycle, you got a two-cycle, bring it on in. We will wash it here at Jesucristo es Rey Car Wash.
I get down, he listen up, get down, he listen up, get down.
Hello, my name is Laura Carranza and I'm broadcasting here on the street of corner of Tarasco and Damia. They are having what is called a car wash slash turkey leg slash taco sale. So if you'd like to come on over, you see if you look over there, let's face the camera, we got the barbecue pits going on over there. On that side we got the car wash going on, and there's a lot of activity going on, but it seems to be a lot of people coming in. So come and join us. Again, Milaka Lincoln, KSAT 12 News. Come on, let me interview you, ma'am.
Interview?
My name is Milaka Lincoln, and I'm calling from KSAT 12 News. We want to know what is going on here. If you can look at the camera right there. Go ahead. She's a pastor. Come over here.
Okay.
She is a pastor of this church, Jesucristo es Rey, okay? On the corner of Damia and Tarasco. Go ahead, ma'am. What are y'all having here? Share with us.
Well, actually, what we're having is a fundraising.
A fundraising.
Yes, it is for our church. As you can see, our church is growing.
Amén, gloria a Dios, hermanos, gloria a Dios.
Oh, one moment. This is, what's your name, sir?
Pastor Jorge Cruz.
Oh, it's about Seneca. Now, what do you do here, sir?
Yo toco el bass y la guitarra todo el tiempo.
Okay, as you can see, he's a little bit off.
Here we go, here we go.
Hello, my name is Milaka Lincoln and we're reporting live from this car wash. As you can see, the team that is so
Very nice.
So working.
Very nice.
Look at that, look how nice it is. So come on and join us here at 127 Damia and Tarasco on 410 and Marpa. Thank you, Milaka Lincoln reporting, KSAT 12 News.
Lavishly, lives are wasted, humble, never left untasted. You can't live life to please yourself.
Go, that's it.
That's a tip from my mistake. Exactly what
Don't,
it doesn't
hey, on the other
take
side.
to win.
Hey.
You gotta come in
On the other side.
last place.
On the other side. On the other side.
Live your life, you've got to lose it, and all the losers get a crown. I get down, he listen up, get down. He listen up, get down. He listen up, get down. All I need is enough to take.
OMG, this thing is huge. Look.
Here we have the powers. We got Grave Digger in the house. Grave Digger. That's wonderful. We got over there Pastor Joel Cruz.
Pastor Joel Cruz.
Mano Grave Digger here. Grave Digger.
Blazing hot out here, and if I'm red, then you should know that I've been in the sun. Car wash! And saying car wash a lot. Car wash, car wash, car wash, car wash, car wash. Solo time. Solos. Anybody know what a solo is? It's when a person plays an instrument for a little bit of time. That's a solo.
This is brother Guerrero.
Hi.
Go Spurs, go! Go Spurs, go!
I'm really tired. I just want to fall on the floor and go to sleep.
In your weakness, he